Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Donoman 2015, and today we're doing a vlog, right? Warren, right? New ones are really powerful. That one right there is not that powerful. No! Ah, dang nabbit. Oh no.
Certainly one of my favorite examples.
Do you want to play
Moving on to the next
some
one. It's another case that could potentially save your
Minecraft?
life or mess someone else's up if you decide. The reason
Do you
for
wanna
it,
play
but
some
check this
Minecraft?
out. This is a pepper
Sure,
spray
hold on.
iPhone case. Open and spraying it directly in my eyeballs.
Oh, what? I just really want orange juice. I'm not sponsored or anything. Usually I don't drink juice, but when I want juice, I want juice. Okay. Tara watching Moana. Where's he going? Alright, guys. See you tomorrow. Alright, good morning, everyone. It's the next day. And, yeah. Also, guys, I have a dog. You're part of a vlog, right? I can even show you the headphones. Oh, flip. Yep, there we go. Kane! Ah! So, this is 1 second stuff. He's doing experiments, yeah. Just don't burn down the house.
I won't. Is there a fire extinguisher?
No.
Okay. We have water anyways.
Oh my
Spray
gosh.
bottle, alcohol. Yes, it's working. It's working. Let me turn it up.
Just in case something starts. Well, a fire. Don't put it on the headphones. But, like, try to get the fire off the headphones.
Guys,
and
if you
then
can hear this.
extinguish it. Cool. Crazy, matey. You're crazy. I say you're crazy. Oh my gosh. Don't get near me with that thing. Don't you do it. No. No. What are you even trying to do? Oh my gosh. Dude.
It's done.
You are insane. No.
Dude, it's just part of the
I don't care. Put it in the trash. I hate electricity, okay? That's one thing you'll pick up on after after being with me for a long time. I hate electricity.
I
So when
love
you do anything electricity, I freak out.
I love electricity.
I hate it.
I love it.
Oh my gosh.
Well, at least we can.
Yes, I did it successfully. I think it needs to be on. Yeah, we'll just leave it. I am exaggerating. I don't do that. It's fine. Not really. And we're taking the fan off. Get out of his room! Get out of his room! Come on, get out of his room! Help! He's got a knife driver! What the flip face, man? Holy flip. Wanna play Minecraft? Wanna play Minecraft? Okay. Never mind, let's play outside. Guys, look, I'm holding the light bulb. Oh gosh, it sucked me. Where'd it go? It's not a light bulb. Alright guys, I'm back, and I've just been kind of cleaning house and stuff, and yeah. Wah, wah, here we go. There you go.
Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly.
Peanut butter jelly, there's a baseball bat, and
Peanut butter
So-
jelly time.
how do you make your peanut butter jelly? Do you just put it in a bowl, mix it up, and then put it between the bread?
Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly.
Is that what you do?
Yeah.
Oh, I've never heard it that way. It's actually pretty smart. Alright guys, we're going somewhere in like 10 minutes and we'll probably be back at like 8 or 9 o'clock. So yeah. Alright guys, so it is like 10:30 and yeah, I'm just gonna go to sleep. Good night everyone. Good morning everyone, and it is a rainy day today. So come outside guys, I'll show you. Look at this guys, look at how rainy it is. It's so rainy. Look at this. Okay. It's a rainy day today. So, what have I been doing, you ask? So that's pretty much what I've been doing. Bard. Super bad. Oh no.
Really?
Yep. Oh gosh! Hey! Oh my gosh! Alright guys, so I'm dressed now and we're about to ride scooters. And if you're wondering why there's a pig on my shoulder, I'm gonna upload an announcement video about that tomorrow. And then yeah. So if you're wondering why there's a pig on my shoulder, the announcement video will be tomorrow. We'll be talking about this little guy. Nice flip, bro. That was good. Stickbot Red is editing his video. You should check out his channel and his videos. He's awesome. Yeah. He's awesome. Yeah. Oh, Stickbot Red is editing his video. You should check out his videos. He's awesome. Yeah. He's awesome. Yeah. Oh yeah, Stickbot Red is editing his videos. You should check out his channel and his videos. He's awesome. Yeah. I've only been playing outside for a little bit. My hair can't be that bad. I'll put my hands up.
Give me all your money now. Give me it all.
So I thought you were a police officer.
No, give me all your money.
Okay, hold on. Let me jump off the bike for this. And so we can be reasonable.
Give me your bike too.
You can have it. Just pick it up right now.
Get away. Buckaroo.
Huh?
Buckaroo.
Buckaroo, huh? You want to call me a buckaroo? Okay. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring.
Let's
Holy
go
cow,
out
my
in the
phone
rain.
is wet. Oh my gosh, gotta get it dry now. Dude, it's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. The old man went to bed and he bumped his head and he couldn't wake up in the morning. Why are you riding your the scooter in the rain? You're insane! Insane! Friends going to football practice in the pouring rain by Warren. Look at this, guys, it's still pouring. And he's going to football practice. Hey, what the heck? Alright guys, so right when we think everything is dandy and okay, it starts raining again. I hate this, okay? It's not fun to have it raining all day long. Like, look at this, guys. It is raining super bad. Look how wet this is. Look, a puddle. Oh my gosh. See, look at that. Boom. Wetness.